In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an FAQ section using the quick method in Wix Studio. This process is streamlined to save you time while ensuring your website provides all the necessary information for your visitors. Let's dive right in. To begin, make your way to Wix Studio. It's a fantastic platform specifically designed for agencies and enterprises, offering robust tools and options to enhance your website. Once you're there, locate and click on the login button. This will bring you to the next step where you need to select the option to continue with Google. By doing this, you'll log in using your Google account, which is a convenient way to manage your credentials securely. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of your Wix Studio account. Look for the app icon and give it a click. This icon is your gateway to a myriad of features and functionalities that Wix offers, one of which is the ability to add FAQs to your site. With the app interface open, type Wix FAQ in the search bar. Make sure you're typing it correctly, as this will locate the FAQ application you need to add to your site. Once the correct option appears, click on Wix FAQ. This action will lead you to the section where you can add the FAQ feature to your site. Simply click on Add to Site. Now, if you've already added it before, you might see Add Again instead. Don't worry, just go ahead and click it. This is essentially refreshing or reactivating your access to this tool on your website. Once the FAQ has been successfully added to the site, it's time to manage your FAQs. Click on Manage FAQs, which will guide you to the control panel where you can organize and edit the questions and answers you want to present. The last step is to click on Add New. With this feature, you can start entering questions and providing their corresponding answers. This step is important for building a comprehensive and helpful FAQ section that addresses common inquiries your visitors might have. Be sure to craft your answers clearly and concisely, covering the most crucial aspects of your business or services. And that's it. You've just learned how to effortlessly add an FAQ section to your website using Wix Studio. By following these straightforward steps, you'll provide your visitors with valuable information and improve their user experience effectively. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore other features Wix Studio offers to continue enhancing your site.